Hi, this is Luke from Taillight Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Hyundai i30, stock number 6300. This ran from the 3rd 2012 to the 2nd 2017. It has a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front headlight needs polish, right front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,